Hello friends, welcome to our channel Technical Academy. In this presentation we will study about the band structure of an open circuited PN junction diode with derivation. So let us start our presentation. So as we know that the Fermi level energy EF position is very close to the conduction band edge ECN in the n-type material, and in case of the p-type material EF is closer to the valence band edge, that is EVP. So from these two statements we can clearly explain that the conduction band edge in the p-type material cannot be at the same level as ECN, nor can have the valence band edge EVN in the n line up with the EVP. So from this information we can draw the diagram for the band structure of open circuited PN junction diode. So this will appear like this. You can draw this figure. So this is the clear figure. So from this you can say that the conduction band is this one for the P region. This is the conduction band for N region. This is valence band. This is valence band for N region. This is valence band for P region. So now we will start our derivation. So from the energy band diagram as shown in the given figure, the energy shift level can be indicated as E naught, which is equals to ECP minus ECN is equals to EVP minus EVN, and E naught is equals to E1 plus E2 is equals to equation number 1. So you can clearly see from this is our ECP, this is ECP minus ECN, which is equals to E naught, and EVP minus ECN is equals to E naught. So this is the expression, and E naught is equals to E1 plus E2. So this is E1, this is E2, and the sum of both will be equals to E naught. So this is our equation number 1, and E naught represents the potential energy of the electrons at the junction. So the contact potential difference can be obtained from the given figure as EF minus EVP is equals to 1 by 2 EG minus E1. This is our equation number 2. Now let us see from the figure. So from the figure, this is EF minus 1 by 2G, EF minus EVP is equals to 1 by 2G minus E1. Then it will give this part, this portion. So these two are equal. So this is our equation number 2, and equation number 3 here from the figure. So here ECN minus EF is equals to 1 by 2G, this portion minus E2 will be equal to the ECN minus EF. So this is our equation number 3, and now we are going to add equation number 2 and equation number 3. Then we will get a equation number 4, that is equals to E naught is equals to EG minus ECN minus EF bracket minus whole bracket EF minus EVP. This is our equation number 4. So from the electron hole carrier concentration of the intrinsic semiconductor, we know that the energy gap is equals to KT ln of NC into NB upon Ni square. So this is our equation number 5. And now the exact position of the Fermi level in an n-type material can be found as N is equals to Nd. Here is the concentration of electrons, which is equals to concentration of donor atom is equals to Nc into exponential to the power minus whole bracket Ec minus Ef upon Kt. So if we will solve this expression for Ef, then we are going to get this equation. Ef is equals to Ec minus Kt ln of Nc upon Nd. So this is our equation number 6. And similarly for the p-type material we can apply the same thing, and here Ef is equals to Ev plus Kt ln of Nb upon Nd. So if you will solve this equation, if you will put this here, this side, then we will get new equation EF minus EVP is equals to KT ln of NV upon ND. So this is our equation number 7. And now we are going to substitute the values of ECN minus EF and EG and EF minus EVP from equation number 5, from equation number from this equation EG value, equation number 6 and equation number 7, and then we will substitute these values in equation number 4. So we are going to get one new expression, that is equals to E naught is equals to KT into ln of NC into ND upon NI square minus ln of NC upon ND. So minus ln NV upon NA. So if you will use the logarithmic rule, log A minus log B, then you are going to get this value KT into NC, KT into whole bracket NC into NV upon NI square into ND upon NC into this is NA upon NV. So here NC and NB will be cancelled, these two terms are cancelled, so only NA into ND is remaining. So this is the expression for E naught, that is the contact potential. E naught is equals to KT ln of NA into ND upon NI square, where contact potential difference is measured in volt. So the value of E naught will be measured in volts. So friends, if you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.